Alright, I just had to redo this because I forgot to trim the end, but yeah, this is a caboose I always see in Florence, so I decided to finally go check it out. Climb on top of it some. I know y'all probably can't read that. The brake. Pretty cool though. There were wasps on it, so that wasn't the funnest. That's like an inside view. That's like the best I could get. The door wouldn't open anymore. CSXT. I saw a CSX car and I swear the T was spray painted at the end. I was like, wow, they forgot to do it. It looks like I'm driving the caboose. I like that view of that top part. That's sick. Okay. This one hits me in the feels because my mom used to take me here before she passed away. And this is in Timber Park in Florence. And it's like a museum. But it's like a 1950s futuristic design. It's so sick. Check this out. Look at that, bro. Like, I would love to live there. I don't think anyone's lived there. It's designed by some guy. I can't remember though. I need to look that up. See what guy it is. We used to play on that train all the time. They won't let you go there no more. I used to be scared that I was gonna start it, but then I realized now you need cold water and fire. Oh, railway crossings. That house, there's no one in that house. I'd love to live there. People used to always wonder who was in that house. I was kind of scared to go up to it. It was kind of sketch. They were acting weird about people going on it. So, yeah. It just had a bunch of signs and stuff and just felt weird. Definitely got to look up the designer. A peach looking mushroom. I reckon that's mushroom or fungus. And I think there's a little snail on it right there. I can't see that too clear. It's cute though. It's got a little like bite marks taken out of it. Looks like I reckon that's what that is. This next thing. This is the hotel that's getting torn down. It's on my Facebook. I saw an old picture of it. It's on my Facebook, but I've been seeing this place for years. There's a bunch of Black Lives Matter stuff. And somebody actually on the George Floyd mural, they threw paint on it. And I was like, bro, no matter the opinion you have on that, it's like just you're not helping, bro. It just makes you look bad. But yeah, these paintings are really cool. I really like the Mario ones, and I really like the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Those yin and yang eye things are cool too, though. But yeah, they're tearing this place down. A lot of people say it's an eyesore, and like I can't really argue against that because it is kind of dangerous. But my love for abandoned buildings, I don't want to see it get torn down. Remodeled would be cool, but yeah. This place is cool. We went back. Probably gonna end up going back again. It is large. What is that on the wall? That's terrifying. That black stuff. I remember seeing that. A chair in the wall. That's hilarious. I think my voice just cracked. What's new? Magnum SRT8. God, if I ever see an '08 SRT8 or even an '08 RT, I'll freak out. Even an '08 SXT. And then a NAG 1392. Those are getting rare now. They're not as rare as they were, but they're getting rare now.